Jerusalem, ikayalam, kilondolose, uhambelami, zungangishilana. Jerusalem, ikayalam, kilondolose, uhambelami.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Why are you panting like
because I just finished dancing, babe. Why shouldn't I pant?
For your mind. But I love your moves though. You killed it. Like
me, I don't know how to dance. Me, I don't know how to dance. I also
you can dance, Joe.
I beg, why are you whining me?
You can dance.
I can't dance.
You can dance.
Okay, I can dance. Leave me. I can dance. It's okay.
You can dance. You can dance. You can dance.
I've heard you.
You can dance.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Jesus. Anyway, guys, welcome back to our channel. I just hope YouTube allow us put the sound of the song. I just hope they allow us.
If it's copyright, I don't want to leave it like that.
You leave it like that. Timba. Go. Imagine sorrow. Anyway, so you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed today with us. We're just going to just chill out with us today basically, and yeah, let's just have fun, right? Why are you hiding at my back like one? Are you okay? Say something.
Okay guys, so today we hope you guys enjoyed the vlog with us today.
Yeah, we're about to make breakfast, you guys. I'm about to eat puff for breakfast.
We're actually late breakfast eaters.
Yeah,
we don't eat breakfast early. When normal people and same people eat breakfast like 7,
yeah,
9,
like 7,
6, 7, 8. We will eat breakfast 11, 12.
No, but today is better.
Can you imagine? Today is better.
No, it's not better. Like today is early.
Today
is early now. This is
10 is still early. Okay? For us, so
this is 10.
That's what I'm saying now.
And it all depends on like when you stand up now. Abi, is it not when you stand up you eat? You guys, how does it work for you people? During weekdays, we actually eat breakfast early. It's just on weekends.
It's not because you're going to work. That's right. Do you want to eat breakfast?
And that's the point now, because I wake up early. That's why I can eat breakfast early. If I don't wake up early, I'm still on the bed praying. After praying, pressing my phone and chilling. What do you want me to do? Stand up and eat by then?
Yes,
the hunger will wait.
No. So you'll be able to. Okay, now if you eat breakfast this time, now when are you going to eat lunch? Now we're eating brunch.
We eat it whenever. If you're hungry, go and take some.
Later we'll not eat Luna.
And then we'll not eat dinner.
No, we won't eat dinner. That's Luna lunch and dinner. It's called Luna.
Me more. Anyway, guys, yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We're taking down this Christmas tree today by fire by force. This is February already.
No. I'm still in the season of Christmas.
There's no season of Christmas. We're taking down this Christmas tree.
I'm still in mother breakfast.
Today, we're taking down the Christmas tree, you guys. Alright.
Nigeria is fine,
Nigeria is beautiful now. Like, see how it's just like showcasing all the old beautiful aspects of Nigeria and the old national anthem.
Nigeria, but one person that I really admire in Nigeria is you.
Thank you.
Do you know that I know you more than anyone in Nigeria?
Oh yeah?
I don't even know whether you're an entertainer, a musician.
Okay, so just in case you don't know Wode is a Ghanaian YouTuber, and he travels around African countries and also in Ghana, showcasing all the amazing works that Africans in Africa are doing, and it's really amazing. It's very inspiring. Yeah, so that's Wode. You can check out his channel.
Or an activist or a politician.
Well, the only thing I have not officially declared out of all those things is the politician. But everything else, that's me.
Far's the bad guy.
That's me.
That's not your real name.
My real name is Folaren Falana.
Born and raised in Nigeria.
Born and raised in Nigeria. Raised throughout, apart from my university days.
And where did you go for university?
In the UK. University of Reading.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you went to university in the UK to
Yeah,
study what?
I stayed in the UK for some time actually.
UK accent, man.
See the accent. Wow.
Used is not produced in the country. We are importing
Everything.
every single thing.
So guys, we just finished watching Wode Maya's video. We just clicked on YouTube. I wanted to catch up on some videos, and then Wode Maya's video just came up, and we just saw you uploaded a new video, and you guys,
the one you did with Faust the bad guy.
yeah,
Like the video really made
like
great sense.
great sense.
Faust the bad guy, he really made sense with what he said. Like I've always been telling Babe, like I don't know, personally I feel what he said in the part where he said Nigerians or Africans in general, we need to produce most of the things we make use of. Like it's really a thing for us. I don't know, I've always told that in Japan, for example, they produce their rice themselves. They don't even know what it's called, Thai rice.
Yeah, they don't.
Like when you tell them I cook Thai rice, they're always like, what's Thai rice? What's Thai rice? Is it the long rice? I say, yeah. Like, oh really? Like they don't know what Thai rice. They produce their own rice, and even though their rice is not like the Thai rice because it's kind of too starchy,
yeah, sticky.
And very sticky. Their rice is starchy and very sticky because they make it and they don't parboil it, so you have to wash it yourself countless number of times and everything. But still they enjoy their own rice. Like they enjoy their product, and many Japanese they've enjoyed eating it. And I don't know why we keep importing rice that it's not making us live longer. The rice is not adding to our age or anything.
We can actually just make our own things.
Let's just make our own product. Exactly, like rice. If most farmers in Japan, it's rare you don't see a person that lives in the countryside that doesn't have a farm,
a piece of land,
for farming rice. Very soon, as it's almost rice season and everything, they'll plant their own food and you enjoy it, fruits, all these things. Is job employment. I see it as job employment because when farmers are producing their thing, you take them to supermarkets, you sell, you give them the money back. That's their own income. Then those producing rice we eat also.
Yeah.
So it really made sense with what he said in that part. So I just hope.
The video.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the video. I just hope the government will actually think towards that level. They actually know, but they don't want to.
But they don't want to think towards it. They know all these things. They just don't want to think towards it. Honestly. We just really hope that things get better because our country is really beautiful. It's a blessed country. We have natural resources, we have food, we have everything.
We watched the video of a girl planting strawberries.
Yeah, that was from.
I was surprised. I was surprised when I saw strawberry
in Nigeria. Wow, strawberries.
So it's really fascinating when you see things like this.
Yeah. As well, you guys, if you've not seen that video, just head over to Wode Maya's channel and complete the whole video. You really be fascinated at the things he and Fowls were talking about in that video. Very inspiring, and honestly, we just have to pray and hope for the best as well. And also, if we have ideas, God should give us the strength to be able to pull it up also in our blessed country.
There's actually ideas. It's just that you have ideas killers. You have ideas killers. Those that are dead, I will just kill your ideas. Your ideas. Nigerians are blessed with ideas. We are smart.
We're still waiting for our puff.
It's taking forever.
It's taking forever. I'm hungry already. Very hungry. DJ, would you go and do this thing? Take out this Christmas tree already while we are waiting. Or the hunger will not let you.
The hunger is not letting me. I'm not saying you, bro. I don't say.
Am I weird? You're already blind, David. The hunger is making you blind.
All I'm saying is food.
Food. I'm not food though.
Okay, guys.
Okay, yeah.
Last of its kind.
Our pop-off is ready to eat. Hi guys, we're done eating like since. So we decided to make a sit down video. You can see all the makeup and everything. We decided to make a sit down video. We just finished filming the sit down video, and yeah, now we're just going to go about the day. Finally, he's ready to take down the tree, and afterwards we just head out to do some stuffs. And yeah, you're ready now.
No, I'm not going to do some stuff.
What are you doing? Oh, yeah, stand up, come and do it.
Do what?
The tree. I'm ready for you today. This tree must be out of this place.
Me, I'm staying.
If not, it's to stay here till like December.
I'm in the festive period.
There's no festive period. There's Valentine period that we are.
It's Valentine, not festive.
This is not Christmas. Come and take it out, babe.
I want to level up. Even I pass it, go one more. Ababi me chaga I pass a man a guys in a biao. Asigango na go makango na biao. Gai me chaga I was a man a dust to me bo. Onge mechi, imano ge mechi. So my tomorrow go better. As I be walk out the prayer. Imana no get time for story. Can't wait back, we make up men, Go to come deliver. Actual gag, I'm trying to catch up on the list. I want to join you. Come at your mouth. Chubby memory, and get more. See, I did for my life. They want me to fellow. You go to me, check. Oh, very head and memo. All goes to remove. Oh, see, remove. But they'll do. Oh, been there to my solution.
So you guys, finally the Christmas tree is out. Like finally we've taken down the Christmas tree. We just replaced it with this bamboo plants rather. Yeah, so I'm just thinking of shifting it a little bit more closer to the TV so the other frame at that end can show. Yeah, that's basically it though. Sweaty already, or oily actually. So guys, I'm just cooking. I just want to make stew down. That's all I want to do. Let me take you guys and show you guys what I am doing. Sorry, I'm done blending the tomatoes. I'm just parboiling it now. I added groundnut oil on it so it doesn't foam out. This pot is looking a little bit like a pot or pan. It's looking a little bit small. Yeah guys, we usually just cook a lot and just pack it and keep it there in the fridge and just keep bringing it out to warm whenever we want to eat. So yeah, that's why the tomatoes is that much, although I didn't know this one was going to be this much this way. But anyway, I think it's cool. Save me the stress of like cooking anytime soon. Anyway guys, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys for spending half of the day with us, because I think it's just like 2 o'clock now, or 3 I guess. So thank you so much for spending half of the day or part of the day with us. All right guys, please, if you are new here, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.